Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. January 8th marked the second anniversary of our channel, and we wanted to give you some stats as well as some video around the French Quarter in case you get bored. At the end of our first year, we had published video of 1,803.1 miles and 40 hours and 45 minutes of travel time in 101 road trip videos. In our second year, we published 3,008.6 miles and 60 hours and 45 minutes of travel time in 153 road trip videos. This makes for a combined total of 101.5 hours of travel time and over 4,811 miles. We've traveled in Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Florida, Tennessee, Arkansas, and Texas this year. We've added 20 new hotel tours and resumed our New Orleans neighborhood tours. We're still publishing our regular road trip videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 2 p.m. and Sundays at 9 a.m. and our hotel tours and other non-road trip related videos usually publish on Saturday at 9 a.m. Every once in a while, we've been throwing in bonus material on Wednesday mornings, such as the video you're watching right now. On January 8th of last year, we had just broken the 150 subscriber mark, and as of January 8th of 2018, we have 634 subscribers. I still can't believe it. A year ago, we had just over 51,000 views on our channel, and now 213,000. We hit 100,000 on June 13th and 200,000 views on December 22nd. In the past year, we've traveled a good portion of US 90, US 61, I-55, I-110, I-310, the entirety of LA 182, which is mostly an older alignment of US 90 and US 167. We covered a bit more of I-10, all of the southern section of I-49, US 80 from Jackson, Mississippi to Marshall, Texas. We went down to Tampa, Florida to pick up our 2001 Saab 9.3 Vigan convertible from an eBay seller, and in the process got video of a good bit of I-75 through Florida. We traveled Louisiana Highway 1 from beginning to end. LA1 runs from the southeast corner of Louisiana on the Gulf of Mexico to the far northwest corner, where it hits the Texas border just a stone's throw from the Arkansas border. We did a couple of before and after videos on some local New Orleans streets where major changes have taken place. We covered a section of US 59 in northeastern Texas and some state highways in eastern Texas. We started to cover the Natchez Trace Parkway, although that project is still on hold since we lost some video along the way. Our most recent series is still running, covering US Highway 49 from beginning to end. We've switched our video editing software to CyberLink Power Director and added a GoPro to our equipment list so that we can mount on the outside of the car for high-definition city and neighborhood tours, hotel tours, and non-driving video. In February, we had a visit from Roadway Wiz, who lives in upstate New York, and we put together a special video on all of the bridges in Louisiana that cross the Mississippi River. We took care of the filming, and he added his expert commentary on the history and engineering aspect of the bridges. Be sure to check out his channel, as he has literally thousands of road videos up in the Northeast, as well as other places in the country that he's traveled, including Louisiana and the Gulf South. One of our fans from Australia, Richard Felstad, took a liking to our videos and started making his own road trip videos in a similar style to ours. If you watch his videos over your shoulder using a mirror, you'd never guess that he was outside of the US. Well, except all of the text would be backwards, and, well, Richard has a bit of an Australian accent. Richard is also a radio personality, so listen to him spin his Lost 45s on 2REM 107.3 FM if you happen to be in Albury, New South Wales, or look it up on the web and you can stream it live. His show airs every Thursday at 3:30 p.m. U.S. Central Time. Also, if you're interested in New Orleans and the Mississippi Gulf Coast, check out our friend Johnny's channel, See John Vlog. He has quite a mix of different things on his channel, but he's done some great walking tours of the French Quarter and does quick reviews of restaurants in New Orleans and the Gulf Coast area. He can also teach you to play Pai-Gow poker in the casinos or to light your gas water heater. Coming up soon, we'll have video of the new I-22 that connects Memphis, Tennessee and Birmingham, Alabama, as well as some more Texas state highways. We plan to head west on I-10 and US 90 as far as we can get, and we hope to continue our trek up US 61 this year also. We'll be doing some more New Orleans road videos and neighborhood tours in the springtime when the lighting is a little better. Also, keep an eye out for a video about a New Orleans landmark that's about to be, as we say, ain't there no more. We take requests. If you'd like to see a particular street or neighborhood of New Orleans, please let us know in the comments below. Anything outside of the New Orleans area may be harder for us to coordinate, since our travel time is pretty limited and we have to carefully plan our out-of-town trips around our work schedule. As much as we'd like to see that small picturesque town on an out-of-the-way county road in central Oklahoma, we just can't jump in the car and go film it tomorrow. But leave little requests like that anyway. We'll put it on our list, and if we get out into that area, we'll try to include it. Just be very patient because it may take a while. I mean, believe it or not, a couple of years ago we were in North Dakota, so you just never know what you might see. We want to thank all of our viewers who have kept us going. As long as you, the viewers, watch, we'll keep making videos. Check out our Facebook group, as well as our accounts on Twitter, Blogger, Tumblr, Pinterest, Google+, and Patreon. We'll finish up here, but make sure to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and leave your comments, questions, and requests below, and join us for our next 504 road trip. Thank you so much for watching.
And don't forget to smash that bell icon so you'll know when our new videos come out.
Smash it!